I absolutely love this place, and I'm here for life because it's family owned and operated, first of all. So it's all about the quality and care. Anytime you're looking for any automotive repair or replacements, that is your baby as well. So we treat that as family. So you really want to find those family owned and operated shops because they're all about the quality and care, the lifetime warranties that we offer on our work. We're like family here, you know. So it's one of those, you come into work every day smiling and you leave every day smiling. It's not an exhausting job to where you feel like I don't want to show up the next morning. It's an exciting job. You get to meet new people every day on the phone, which I absolutely love. You get to gain friends that way as well, because then you get people that come back to you for their windshields. They trust you at that point, and they will come in and go to you every time. So reliable, and it's just one of those jobs that are hard to find, but when you do, you never leave.